Okay, so I'm already inside the Google Doc. All right. Okay, so you can see the Google Doc itself, and I've inserted a small little table. Right, and of course it hasn't been aligned yet. Right, it hasn't been aligned yet. So now we want to do alignment. Okay, so actually very simple. If you want to do so-called horizontal alignment, is exactly the same as this Microsoft Word. Okay, so you just look at the alignment here, centered, and is done. All right. But the problem that usually occur is when you have other boxes or other cell or other rows that goes beyond one line. Okay, maybe it wraps around. So, assuming this particular lines, okay, this particular cell, okay, it wraps around, and what happened is you have this text on the very top. Okay, so you want to align this not just center of the cell, okay, horizontally, but you also want to do it vertically. All right, so you just want it to be in the center over here. So how to do that? Well, basically, the alignment will not be over here because we have already done this. The alignment is actually inside the table itself. See, it's actually inside the table itself. The easy way is to just go straight to the table properties and you will be able to see the alignment. All right. So of course, right now, the reason why it is aligned to the top is because of this one over here. So if I want it to align, okay, most of the time you don't align it at the bottom, but you can align it to the center. All right. So if this text were to increase further, you will see it will just align itself in the center. Okay. So that solve the problem.